Based on the feedback on our previous assignment, we decided to change the scope of our project. We redirect our generative topic from how to create a sense of belonging in our community to how can we help everyone feel a sense of belonging in class. Consequently, we came up with new understanding goals, which you can read here. These goals were crafted to ensure that they were more relatable to students and that they represented knowledge and skills which students would benefit from acquiring.
To achieve these understanding goals and help students answer the generative topic, we came up with 2 subproblems, each related to specific activities for students to carry out. We will be focusing on the first subproblem, which is, what steps can I take to strengthen my sense of belonging in class? We feel that our subproblem makes for a good inquiry question because it is authentic. Everyone at some point in their life encounters the challenge of not feeling belonged, and by solving it, they can use what they learned and apply it to other communities, environments, and situations.
In addition, it is also relevant because this subproblem allows students to tap on their own experiences of sense of belonging in class, which enhances students' relatability of the activities and learning, such as the activity 1 and 2. We also have attempt to engage students in deeper learning by ensuring that the activities require thinking on, minds on. For example, students through collaboration will have to decide on and identify critical factors that affect feelings of belonging. Refer to Activity 3 for more details.
Moreover, we have also embedded cognitive supports in the form of causal reasoning and questioning in the activities. For example, in Activity 2, to help students make the links between their actions and their feelings of belonging to the community, the teacher can prompt students to think about how their behavior affects their feelings in a community. Another technique we used to ensure that students were minds-on was having them engage in causal reasoning to justify to the class why they think their proposed action plan, part of Activity 3, will help strengthen their sense of belonging in a community.